Have you both been in love with so much shiddat?
I तो love with शिद्दत only. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज इतना ग्राम प्यार करेंगे तूने आज मेरे साथ अच्छा कर दिया एक्स्ट्रा 5 ग्राम.
Vicky and Katrina getting engaged. What was your reaction?
That was so funny, we all were laughing. Probably I was 16, 17 when my heart was broken.
Wow.
And
puppy love
मुझे तो ऐसा लगा था कि I was like मेरे पैरों तले
जमीन निकल गई. Conventional definition of heroine doesn't mean that she needs to look a certain way. I felt like a heroine during Pataka as well and during Angrezi as well.
Hi, this is Sunny Kaushal.
Hi, I'm Radhika Madan
And you are watching me
on E-Times.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh, and with me today I have two romantic actors. I'm welcoming them on E-Times. Welcome Radhika Madan and Sunny Kaushal on E-Times. Starting with you, Radhika, you have transformed into a different look altogether. So tell us something about that.
It's the requirement of the film. Like, it's not about... It's just the character, actually. It's not about, ki, hey, now the heroine. A heroine... I was a heroine in Pataka as well. For me, the conventional definition of heroine doesn't mean that she needs to look a certain way. I felt like a heroine during Pataka as well and during Angrezi as well. So, but this is like, this was the requirement of my character because she's from Bombay and like South Bombay to be very honest. South Bombay. So that's the reason, you know, I was dressed up in a certain way and the audience was able to see a different look of mine.
Talking to you, Sunny, this is a very intense role. You are like a different character altogether. So how difficult was it like playing this role for you?
I would say it wasn't very difficult, frankly, because of Kunal, our director, and the way it was written on script. But yeah, there were a lot of things that I had to kind of understand about where the character is coming from to be able to portray it. Because like you said, it's very intense. His whole motivation in the film is Kartika. You know, so to be able to portray that and bring that into his both in a kan mein character ke. So that was a challenge, but yeah, managed it.
What excited both of you to be a part of Shiddat when the script was narrated and, you know, the story was told?
What attracted me the most was that the characters were not perfect.
Yeah.
There was no right or wrong. They played in a very in-between grey zone, which felt very real. And it may seem like a conventional love story, but it's not. That is what excited me the most.
Same, I would say the same. It's the eye with which love is portrayed in the film excited me a lot. Apart from a lot of other things which about the story and about working with Radhika, about, you know, working with Maddock and everything. It's just the whole definition of love, and when I read it and I was like, yeah, this is something new, you know, this is what I haven't seen, but this is very close to home and my own belief about love. So I said, yeah, this I have to be.
Have you both been in love with so much shiddat that you have been that crazy to such an extent ever?
I to love with shiddat only. I can't. It's like I'm all in when I love. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज इतना ग्राम प्यार करेंगे तूने आज मेरे साथ अच्छा कर दिया एक्स्ट्रा 5 ग्राम. Either I'm all in or it's nothing.
So what about you, Sunny?
Yeah, same. But ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है life में what you would see in a trailer or something like that. Because it's I would say it's a romanticized version of love as well. But yeah, same. I'm either all in or nothing.
Have you both been heartbroken ever?
कौन नहीं हुआ मुझे ये नहीं समझ रहा. Everybody, everybody. Oh, it's.
And how did you deal with it?
कुछ नहीं, गाने सुनते हैं पहले. First process नहीं होता ना, पहले गाने सुनते हैं. मैं तो रो लेती हूँ पहले गानों के बाद. And then, like, it's very important to realize why, you know, you and your partner didn't work out. If that reason is strong enough, then you deal with it somehow. But of course, you get hurt.
Yeah,
what about Sunny?
Probably I was 16, 17 when my heart was broken.
Wow.
And
puppy love.
I was just going, but तब आपको लगता है कि यार यही है.
यही है.
And it was like a 4-month relationship or something, and she said, "Oh, you know, मुझे तो ऐसा लगा था like I was like मेरे पैरों थले
जमीन निकल
and
गई.
I called and I was like, "No, just meet me once and everything. I want to talk to you and understand what is happening." It was a very dramatic moment, and I mean, now that I look back, I think she was laughing at me, but I laugh at myself when I look back.
As I asked both of you, of course, like, you know, you have been in touch with your exes?
I haven't been in touch with my.
I haven't been.
Yeah. Like completely cut off.
I think it's better that way.
Also, like Sunny, you know, talking about your journey, you know, you're a brother of Vicky Kaushal and dad has been, you know, in the industry for such a long time. Have you ever been in that spot of nepotism? Have you been questioned that?
No, I haven't. Because we started our journey together, so it's not like I got anything because of him or anything. We had our own separate journeys. We still do.
Talking about you, Radhika, you have come to this industry without having a godfather and you have come a long way. You are doing such good projects. So how does that feel for you? You know, you have never taken support of people. You have just shown your caliber.
I don't know. I think I just met the right people at the right time and they have made me who I am today, to be very honest. It's not कि तुम आओगे और तुम बोलोगे मेरे को मैं तो यहाँ पे आके अब देखो अब अपने ऊपर कैमरा लगा के कुछ मैं तो अपनी बन सकती हूँ.
Yeah.
So it is, you know, all my directors, all the team members, they have made me who I am. They have been a catalyst in my growth and in a lot of things in how I think, and yeah, so it's all them.
Sunny, a lot of reports keep on coming about Vicky and Katrina getting engaged. What was your reaction? What was your reaction?
That was so funny. We all were laughing. All of us at home when we woke up and we read that. It was a great laughter fest at home.
Have you had your personal interaction with Katrina and, you know, how your experience has been?
Because when we were, I think, Forgotten Army, jab aayi thi, so she was there because she's a very good friend of Kabir Khan. So I've met her a couple of times. Yeah, she's sweet.
And talking to you, Radhika, that, you know, you're finally, your desire has become true. You're working with Ranbir Kapoor finally. So there is something which is cooking up. So tell us something about it.
No, I just worked with him in an advertisement. That is it. It's
so are you looking forward to work with him for a film?
Of course. Like, who wouldn't?
Who is it?
Who wouldn't do that? Yeah.
Radhika, also, like, we spotted you with Sara Ali Khan and Jasleen Royal. So what is cooking up? Are you like working with them for a project or it was just a short trip?
No, we're just friends. We just friends. Our dates were free and we just wanted to go somewhere to chill. And yeah, that's how the plan happened. That is it. There's nothing.
But what stunning locations have we?
Yeah. And I somewhere feel like Sara loves to explore a lot in terms of...
Oh yeah, definitely. She loves an adventure. So it was fun. It was really nice. I think they're amazing people. And I'm fortunate to have found.
The film is releasing on OTT. And does that somewhere like bother both of you? Because, you know, this film could be, you know, somewhere a blockbuster hit if it was in theaters.
It can still be.
Still be a blockbuster.
Yeah. I'm sure. But like it's not releasing in theaters, that, you know, that vibe of, you know, going to theaters, you know, enjoying that family time and like that, you know.
Yeah, see, but that's very unfortunate, right? Like, it's that problem is really very small when it comes to us as humanity and everything being hit by a pandemic and so many people losing their lives and all. True. So that's like just besides the point. We cannot be so selfish and say that, oh, you know, at the end of the day, you make films so that people can watch it and, you know, we can entertain people, and that's happening.
Like it is a privilege to say that, and to complain. Like it feels privileged to complain that, you know what, I feel that theaters are not working and look at my life. I think it's insensitive to some degree.
You know, OTT boom is actually a blessing for a lot of people. Just imagine if we would have been hit by a pandemic, say 5-6 years ago.
Yeah.
Maybe OTT
नहीं हुआ था.
That's when actual problem would have happened. अगर theaters shut हो जाते 2 साल पहले.
True that.
So because for a lot of makers, a lot of actors, it's a blessing.
Also, Sunny, you're working with Saher actually. You're working after Neha Kakkar. You're working with her in a music album.
Saher, yeah.
Saher. So tell us something about it.
Oh, I think it was just a music video that we shot for T-Series. And it was fun. 3 days we went, we shot for like the song. We went and shot for it.
And what are your upcoming projects?
My upcoming after Shiddat, there is Urdam, which is coming out. Then there are a couple of projects still, but until they're like properly announced and all, I will not be able to say anything.
You're also working with Yami Gautam.
I am actually.
So tell us something about it.
That's what I'm saying. Till the time,
It's quite a secretive
till the time-
project.
Yeah, it's not actually very secretive or anything because it was out, but till the time makers don't actually make a statement about it, me saying anything would not be right.
What about you, Radhika?
After Shiddat, I have a film with Gio. I'm doing Vishal sir's film. His son Asman is directing it. It's called Kutte. And I have a web series with Maddock and Homie. And I have few more projects which I can't talk about right now. But yeah, exciting months ahead.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank
so
you.
much.